we are unboxing a cat toy. And I hope everyone is okay. And my two cats, the name is one is Gorgeous and the other one is Panda. And they got really bored, and I decided to get them cat toys. And here is. So we're gonna take off the unboxing. Okay, so first we have this is a worm. It got a little bell on it, so you can ring it, and it's green, and it has the eye there. And we got this as feather. It got different colors, and it has a little bell on it as well, like that one. And yeah, and you can shake as well. And for this one, we got another worm. It's pink this time. There's different colors of worm. This one has a bell on it. I think everything has a bell on it, and it got a little eye on it as well. And yeah, it's a worm. And yeah, a bell. For this one, we got another feather. Yeah, bell again, only one. And this one is pink, and the bottom is red and pink. And yeah, it has a bell on it again. You can shake it. And yeah, for this one we have another worm. It has a bell on it again. It's orange one, and it has a bell, and it has eyes on it, small eyes, one. And then for the next one we have this. Another one is so the top is like bird feathers, like brown and white, and this one is pink, yellow and green. Yeah, pink again. So yeah, and this one doesn't have a bell on it. And for this one, there's another worm. Here it has one bell, and it's same again, two eyes, and then yeah, got a little bit fur on it, and yeah, has a bell on it. And this one's yellow. And for this one has a bell on it as well. You can shake it. Then this one, all of it has bells on it. And this one is the dark light blue. And this one at the back of it, I think is black and red. Here got a bell on it, and yeah. Okay. For this one we got. So at the top is yellow, then the bottom is just red. Yes, it's red at the bottom, and I got a bell on it again. I think all of these have a bell. Then for this one, we got our rod, like a fishing rod. So what you want to do is, so imagine there's a cat there, and you want to, so like, imagine if there's a cat there, and then you can play fetch with it like that. And the point this is made for this is made because to keep your hands off the sharp claws of the cat, and you can extend it, so you can either extend it like that or even more like that, and you can make it lower by that. So, and you got the feather on it as well. And yeah. Okay, for this one we got the same thing. So this one is black, that one was blue, this one's black now, soft with here. And this is golden, yellow, and this, it has a string, and yeah, it has this on it, and you have to like attach some of the feathers, one feather on here, and then yeah, you can extend it as well and play with that. You can extend it by doing that and that. And this is made for a spare one if that blue one breaks. And this is the end of the video, and I will see you later and in the other video, and bye.